This is level 1. Some people ask me some doubts from this topic. That is level 2 will come. Just like okay, B19 areas related to the circle. Level 2 question means, you know, Suzuki symbol, Maruti Suzuki. That's also circle related. And anybody remember old Pepsi symbol? Old Pepsi symbol is, today somebody asked about that. That everything will come in the second case. Old Pepsi symbol is coming like that one symbol was there, is it? This area and all. This everything will discuss. And Maruti Suzuki symbol is coming like this. This everything will discuss. Not now. So let us start. B19 areas. If anybody don't have, they can ask me. This number 70724046. 4046. 70724046. B19 is the module. Take your worksheet. Okay. First question. Find the circumference and area of the circle, diameter 28 centimeter. One of the easiest question. Given that D equal to 28 centimeter, therefore radius is what? 14 centimeter. So this is what initially given. They're asking circumference and area. They're asking circumference and area. What is circumference of the circle? What is the formula? What is circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. Try to respond. 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. This is what circumference of the circle. And you can cancel this and this. It will be 2. It will be 2. So what is the answer? 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. That is what the circumference of the circle. Next, area. What is area of the circle? Tell me. Area. Pi r square. 22 by 7 into. Radius is 7 into 7. Cancelled. What is the answer? 154. Take one worksheet from here. 154 centimeter square. 154 cent. This is area. 154 centimeter square.
Sir, which question is this?
Sorry, this is 14, no? Radius is 14, sorry. Radius is 14. What do you asked? This 2 into 2, 44. How much is coming? Anybody done? 616 centimeter square. Easy question. Rare chance only to ask. If you're asking only in the basic paper, sometimes we'll ask. Question number third one. This is level 1 only. Level 2, little more complicated questions and everything will come in that. And we want to discuss about the case study also. So far we didn't discuss. 12th already started. Every day early morning they are getting one case study. What I told you yesterday. Your case will start because recording time is the problem. Okay, ready? Now next question. Next question. Question number third one. Perimeter of the semicircular protractor. You know what is protractor? This is what we are calling protractor. This perimeter means the boundary length. This plus this. This is what we are calling perimeter. See, perimeter means the bound. This is the semicircle. What is the semi? You know, just now I told you, complete circle length is 2 pi r. But we have already half circle, so 2 pi r by 2. That means half circle means this one. Plus this. What is this? This is a diameter. Diameter we are representing the symbol is what? D or 2r, double of the radius. Is it? This is what we are calling diameter. So 2 and 2 cancelled. We people having pi r plus 2r. This is given how much? 36 is given. This is given 36. This is given 36. Perimeter of the protractor means this length plus this length. See, complete circle is 2 pi r. We don't have complete circle. We have only half circle. This length plus this length we have to add. That is what perimeter of the semicircle. Okay, write it. Given that pi r plus 2r equal to 36. If you want first part, you can write, that's your choice. Pi r plus 2r equal to 36. What is common? R is common. R I took it outside. 22 by 7 plus 2 equal to 36. 22 by 7 plus 2. R commonly I took it outside. R commonly I took it outside. Take LCM. The problem LCM also how to take, many of you don't know. Then taking initiative means that any initiative, that's also not taking, that's a problem. This 2 get multiplied. So R equal to 22 plus 14 by 7 equal to 36. R into 36 by 7, 36. What we can cancel on both sides? 36 we can cancel. So R equal to what? 7. But this is not the answer. What is the question? Diameter. For diameter, 14 centimeter. Diameter 14 centimeter. Diameter 14 centimeter. Diameter 14 centimeter. Question number 2. Question number 2. Diameter 14 centimeter. Question number 2. Read the question. A wire is looped in the form of circle of radius 28 centimeter and it is bent into a square. Determine the side of the square. Try to understand. Competency. There is a wire. Only have to think about this wire. Only up to this length. Looped into a circle. It is a circle. How to find the wire length? Radius is given. Wire length. What is the shape of the wire now? Circle. What is the circle complete length? What is the complete length of the circle? 2 pi r. Simply don't imitate it. Okay. Well, he told pi r. You also telling the pi r. See, this is a complete circle. Complete circle length means 2 pi r. Am I right? Radius is given. So complete length of this wire you can find by using the formula of 2 pi r, because 2 pi r is the circumference of this. And this wire, you'll get this length. Am I right? By using that one, you'll get this length. Suppose that length is 100. Suppose that length is what? 100. The same wire they used and they made a square. Any change will be the length of the wire? Any change will be the? Why? The same wire only we made it to a rectangle. So what we can say? Circumference of the circle is same as what? Perimeter of the square. Even if I am making this one a trapezium, that length also what? Equal. Why? We used only the same wire. Am I right or not? The same wire only we rebend into many things. So that one, even if I am making as a belt also, this length will be what? Same only. Am I right? This length also what? Same only. Everything based on this length. This only we change into different form. Am I right or not? Like that, right on? Circumference of the circle equal to perimeter of the square. Circumference of the circle equal to perimeter of the square. Circumference of the square equal to, circumference of the circle equal to perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. Tell me, what is the circumference of the circle formula? 2 pi r. What is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter. What is the perimeter? 4a. Perimeter 4a. Area is a square, all the side length. Where r equal to radius is given. How much r? 28 centimeter. Please substitute and simplify. You will get it. The side of the square. 44. Determine the length of the side of the square. So, 2 into, take one worksheet from you, into 28 equal to 4a. Now, This and this cancel to 4. And this 4 also you can cancel when you're transposing. So A equal to how much? 44 centimeter is the length of the square. Is the side 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 of the square. Next question. Is the side of the square. 44 centimeter is the side of the square. Next question. Question number. Next question. Number sixth one. Question number sixth one. What is the question saying? Read it. What is the question? Radius of circle whose perimeter and area numerically equal. Now, what is the perimeter of the circle? 2 pi r. What is area? Pi r square. Numerically equal means both are equal. What we can cancel on both sides? Pi you can cancel. One radius also we can cancel. What is the answer? R equal to 2 centimeter. If the radius is 2 centimeter, its area and perimeter both are what? Equal. That's only the meaning of the question. If radius is 2 centimeter, then area and perimeter numerically equal. Numerically equal means unit will be different. You just think about, if radius is equal to 2, what is the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 into pi into 2, how much? 4 pi. Am I right? What is the area? Pi r square. That is pi into 2 square. This is how much? 4 pi. Numerically equal, but the units are different. Here centimeter, here what area? Centimeter square. That only the different. That only what they are asking. Numerically equal means the values are equal, but the units are not equal. One is square unit, one is what? Single unit. Like that only it will come. That's the answer. R equal to 2 centimeter. Question number seventh one. Read the question. That's very important. Question number seventh one. Question number seventh one. Everyone should copy the diagram what is there in the worksheet. That's very important. Even any question paper also. Even circle also. Diagram you copy in your answer sheet. Then only you have to write the answer in figure and all. Simply don't that one. And another thing, everyone should learn statement and proof of basic proportionality theorem. Statement is very important. The question will come state and prove. Don't make a mistake. Statement, if it is not correct, 1 mark will go. Triangles, any chapter means statement is the state and proof. They are telling that you have to. Question number, I told you already. Question number 7th one. Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. A right angle triangle. Anytime you can expect your house visiting. Yesterday I started. I already went to some houses. Name I am not saying. People got surprised. Didn't expect actually. 3.5 centimeter. And here one line it is 2 centimeter. Understand the diagram. Simply don't write anything. A, B. Where were you selling? Online just now will you join, no? At that time, where were classes already for that day? They are asking this area. They are asking this area. Question completely you read. Then you answer it. Find the area of the shaded region. See, if you want to get the area of the shaded region, this is the quadrant. From the quadrant, what we have to remove? The triangle area we have to remove. Is it? Right on. Again, I repeat, your first pre-board, everyone is going to write. Our October plan is easy chapter. In that, even if you are making perfect, 45 mark guaranteed. And from randomly some question from there and here, if you are making, easily you'll get a 60 mark. That is your admission criteria for your +1. Maybe this exam or next exam. Even if you are making, but many people didn't touch that, I can't do anything. You just think about. Right on? Area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to. Yeah, Mustafa. Diagram is like that only. Diagram is like that only. Can you see any extension this side? Here it is started from this end and is going like that. Why you draw and why like that the diagram? Your shading is coming here also. This is a simply without checking, without reading, you people are writing it. Area of the shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle OCD. 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 What is the quadrant area? 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 pi r square. And triangle area half into basis OC, height is OD. Check the diagram. This is what we are calling the base, and this is what we are calling the height. Half into base into height. Substitute everything. Substitute everything. Don't make mistake. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? Yeah, 30, 35. Okay, this is the radius. Even this also radius because it's a quadrant. Here OC equal to 3.5 centimeter, or we can write as 7 by 2. And OD is what 2 centimeter. And radius is what 3.5 centimeter. Everything right perfectly. That is what 7 by 2 centimeter. Substitute all the value. Radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 1 by 2 into OC. 7 by 2 into 2. Anybody have any calculation part or anything is there? Immediately ask me. If you are asking, of course I'll explain. But the problem after making LCM and this and all, I can't do anything. This 2 and this 2 cancelled. 7 and 7 cancelled. And this cancelled 11. Balance 11 into 7 by 4 into 2. 7 and this one 3.5 minus 3.5. 77 by 8. How much is 77 by 8? 9.625. Make sure the calculation part is correct or not. 77 by 8. 9.625. Then subtract 3.5. Got it? 9.625 minus 3.5. Salil, how was the retest? Because Peter is saying something, I fed up with that. (9.625 minus 3.5). How much? 6.125 centimeters square. This is the question. Just check. Anybody have problem? Let me know. This is the question number we done. Question number 7th one. Next. Question number 14th one. Similar question we are connecting. Question number 14th one. Question number 14th one. Tomorrow, Birla school, no? No school. 14th one. 14th one. A square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. See the diagram, copy the diagram. Quadrant is the quadrant. There is a quadrant.
Sir, question number?
Question number 13th one. Sorry, 14th one, no? 14th one, 14th one. Question number 14th one. Question number 14th one. O, A, B, C, P, Q. Question read answer for the question. They're asking find the area of the shaded region. Pi restriction is there. Here the problem. This question OA is given 20. This is given 20 and it is a square, so everywhere 20 will come. Radius is not given. Question number 14th one. That worksheet is solved. That question is there with you. Question is worksheet I changed it. I updated the worksheet today because some more questions I added in this. One or two questions I added. See here the problem, radius is not there. So try to understand. We people have to find first radius. Try to understand this is a circle. This circle quadrant only. So what is this? Radius. What is this? Radius. What is this? This everything is what radius. So we people have to find radius. This we have to join. Then here we have to apply what Pythagoras theorem. So this will be the radius. Even this also radius. This also radius. To get to radius, we have to do that one. Otherwise, radius is not given. Right on? Join OB. Join OB. Join OB. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to 20 square plus 20 square, base square plus height square. What is 20 square? 400 plus 400. I told you if the number is repeating, don't add it. What we used to do? 2 times your right, because this is easy, 20 root 2. Therefore, radius will be 20 root 2. Check it. If you are adding, it will be a problem for you. 800, then you have to factorize it. This is the 19th, then 20. Still around the 15 modules are there. Because surface area only level 2, this chapter level 2. And trigonometry already we done. Now, what type of question that we won't discuss for everyone. That first addition, subtraction, some people have to learn. Then only we'll discuss that. We'll make another group very soon. Area of the shaded region equal to. Area of the shaded region equal to. Mustafa, write it. Area of the shaded region equal to. Area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant minus area of quadrant minus area of square. What is quadrant area? 1 by 4 pi r square. Restriction is there for pi, don't forget. 1 by 4 pi r square. Square area a square. Radius we have 20 root 2. Side of the square we have 20. Substitute, pi restriction is there. Substitute. Be careful about this type of question. One year they asked a case study, not this question, some other question that will tell you. R square meaning 20 root 2 square minus a square meaning 20 square. So 1 by 4 into what is 20 square? 20 square 400 root 2 square 2 minus 400. What you can cancel here? 400 and this one you can cancel. How much? 100. 100 into 3.14, 314. 314 into 2, what? 628. Minus 400. So your answer is 228 centimeters square. 228 centimeters square. 228 centimeters square. 228 centimeters square. Figure number 9, question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15, figure number 9. SABC is a right angle triangle at A. Semicircles are drawn. How to draw the diagram, I'll tell you. 228 centimeters square. Please draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Then draw a semicircle here. Then draw another semicircle here. This much you do. A, B, C. And this is given 3 centimeter. This is given 4 centimeter. One more semicircle is going like this. A. One more semicircle is going like this. And you want to find this area. That's the question. You want to find this area. You want to find this area. The first procedure is you have to find a BC. After that, I'll explain. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to, because that is a hypotenuse, 3 square plus 4 square, or you can use Pythagorean triplet also. It is 25. So BC how much? 5. Mark in the diagram. This is 5. You want to find the area of the shaded region. How we are finding? Listen. All of you listen. Area of this triangle plus, listen carefully what I am doing. Understand. Area of this triangle plus area of this semicircle plus area of this semicircle also. What you get now? The full area you get. Understood or not? This full area you will get. But actually we don't need the full area. From where we have to remove this semicircle area. This semicircle area, when you are removing from the whole area, what is balanced? The shaded region will be balanced. Am I right or not? This type of question, first you have to find a whole area, then you remove. That is better for you. Right? Area of the shaded region equal to, here some name I am adding. Here mark P, here mark Q. Area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC plus ABC area means whenever I'm saying area, that completely will come, inside also will come, plus area semicircle BPA, area of semicircle BPA plus I added along with this triangle, this semicircle I added. Now add AQC also plus area semicircle AQC. Semicircle AQC. So you got the whole area. The whole area. From there, you people have to remove what area? BAC, semicircle BAC have to remove minus area of semicircle BAC. Don't forget this combined shape and all. Questions will come. Area triangle BAC. Area triangle BAC. Area triangle BAC. Okay. Now better you don't write. Listen. It's a right angle triangle only. This is the perpendicular. So that perpendicular, if it is coming there, this is your base and this is your height. Don't take this one. This is your base and this is your height. Better no need write. Just listen. ABC area half into AB into AC. Check the diagram, then only you can understand. First semicircle area BPA 1 by 2 I called pi r1 square. Second semicircle I called 1 by 2 pi r2 square minus third semicircle 1 by 2 pi r3 square. I told you don't write it. Three different radius we have. So everything I'm writing here, AB is 3 centimeter and AC is 4 centimeter. What is R1? Listen. R1 radius of this semicircle. We have diameter. Diameter how much? 3. So what is the radius? Don't make it simplified form. Let it be there like that only. Next, R2 means radius of this semicircle. What is this diameter? 4. So what is the radius? 4 by 2. Don't simplify. I'll tell you what is the advantage. And next, this semicircle. What is this semicircle radius? 5 by 2. R3 5 by 2. Actually, 4 by 2 you can divide, but why I'm telling don't divide, you can understand here when. This much everyone understood? Anybody have problem? Sure. Tell me, what is AB value? 3. What is AC value? 4. Here 1 by 2 pi is common. I took it outside. R1 square. What is R1? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square plus. What is R2? 4 by 2 square minus 5 by 2 square. This much is clear. Now this one, this and this you can cancel 2. 2 3s are 6 plus half pi. Here the denominators are same. Here the denominators are same. Here the can anyone tell what is the denominator? It is 4. 2 square means what? 4. So numerator you can simplify. Tell me 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 9 plus 16 how much? 25 minus 25? 0. So your answer is half pi into 0. What is half pi into 0? 0. So answer is what? Only 6. 6 centimeters square. Check it. Understand and write it. Anybody have any step or doubt, let me know. Simply don't copy it. Everything understand and proceed. 6 centimeters square is the answer. Don't copy from the border. I told you. Observe, understand, then write. All of you wrote? Figure number 7, question number 13. Similar question we done in the class, but your value is different. Diagram how to draw, I'll explain. Without reading the question, don't draw the diagram. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is given, AB is given, BC is given. Question number 13th one. Have you finished this? Question number 13th one. How to draw the diagram, I'll tell you. Last year question came one of the region, not this, but we already discussed another number in our class. It is the number I changed and another question. In worksheet another question and this is what another. First draw a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. According to the data, please place everything. AB right angle at verb B. AB 48 centimeter. BC 14 centimeter. This is the first thing. With the AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. A semicircle is drawn. By considering BC as the radius, a quadrant circle is drawn. Quadrant circle like this. You see where is the shaded region is coming? Without observing drawn right, shaded region is coming only outside the quadrant. First we have to find AC, then only we have to move head. Diagram try to understand, where I shaded also try to understand. What happened? In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, first we have to find AC, then we can think about. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AC square equal to 48 square plus 14 square. AC square equal to 48 square plus 14 square. What is 48 square? 2304. That I am expecting always, don't worry. 48 square plus 14 square. 2304 plus 196. How much is 2500? Oh. AC equal to what? What is 500 square root of 50? Please place that in the diagram. We got this is what the 50. Here I mark the P. Here I mark the Q. This 50 centimeter, this length. Now I have a question. After writing that one, listen to me. Sir, AC we got 50 centimeter. They're asking area of the shaded region. All of you listen. Area of this triangle plus area of this semicircle. What you'll get? The total area you'll get. From there, what you have to remove? You have to remove this quadrant, you have to remove this quadrant, you have to remove this piece. When you're removing, only the shaded region will be there. Is it? Right? Area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC plus area semicircle APC, semicircle APC minus the APC means this one here P marked. This is what APC From their quadrant, here one more letter BCQ, here one letter I added D. Minus area of quadrant BCQD. Area of quadrant BCQD. Anybody have doubt, ask me. Simply don't write. Area of quadrant BCQD. Area of quadrant BCQD. Now substitute everything. What is triangle area? Half into what is that? BC into AB plus APC. APC means semicircle. 1 by 2 pi capital, because here only two semicircle, and the other one is what? Quadrant. 1 by 4 pi r square. This much I marked. Now everything you can substitute. BC 14 centimeter. AB 48 centimeter. AB 48 centimeter. And the biggest semicircle 50 by 2. 25 centimeter. Smaller semicircle directly radius only 14 centimeter. Don't get confused. This is a quadrant. The quadrant means it's a radius, and the other one is diameter. That's the thing. Substitute. No need to wait. Just carry on. One similar question is there. The worksheet addition we done in the class. If you check, you can see that. That's equal to 14 into 48. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. Actually, 1 by 2 pi you can take it, but the calculation also we have to think about. Capital R 25. 1 minute. Okay, 1 by 2 pi we can take it outside. What will happen? We'll see. 1 by 2 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square. Check it. 1 by 2 pi I took it outside. There is 1 by 4. Now you can replace. That's better. This and this cancelled is 7. 7 into 48 how much? Identify. 2. Who told 236? $336. 1 by 2 pi at the end we can think about. Capital R 25 square. Small r 14 square. Now 336 plus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. 625 minus 1 by 2 into 196, or 14, and like that also you can cancel. Here one cancellation, this and this you can cancel. What is 196 by 2? Pi any restriction is there? 22 by 7 only, no? 98. So 336 plus 11 by 7. What is 625 minus 98? 5. 5. Sure. You can subtract Khadija, nothing will happen. 527 is same. 527 is same. 527 I don't think it will be divisible by 7. Because divisible by 7 won't be there because 625 is there, no? 75.28 is coming. 75.28. That afterwards we can. 75.28. This and this when we are simplifying. So 336 plus 828.08. This you add, that will be your answer. 1164.08 centimeter square. Check everything. Calculation for time being helped. But the exam, if it is coming, you have to do. At that time, I won't be there with the board and all. Figure number 3, question number 9. 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 How to draw the diagram? Again a quadrant. First to draw the quadrant. Draw the quadrant. That means there is a, this is the quadrant. Then there is a semicircle is drawn. Read the question. You want to find this area. The naming is here A, here B, and here C. And this point is what? D. This point is what? E. Again, shaded region you have to find. Question number 9th one I told you, radius 28 centimeter. We want to find the diameter of the diameter we want to find. Right on. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to 28 square plus 28 square, 784 plus 784, 2 times 784. I told you don't multiply at any cost. Add just add this only. What is 784 square root of? 28 root 2. It will be 28 root 2. AC we got 28 root 2. So when is your exam? Right on. Area of the shaded region. Now, try to understand. This triangle plus this semicircle. What will get? The whole area will get from the quadrant we have to remove. Is it? Is it? Triangle and semicircle. Area of the shaded region equal to? Area of the shaded region equal to? Area of the shaded region equal to? Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC plus area semicircle AEC. Area semicircle AEC. First this triangle area, the semicircle area. From there what we have to remove? This quadrant area we have to remove. Minus area of quadrant ABCD. Area of quadrant ABCD. Area of quadrant ABCD. Triangle area as usual, half into BC into AB. Again I repeat, don't by heart, because by hearting really reflecting in the paper. I asked Zalil, I asked a question, medium class you wrote 60 to 80. Then answer when you wrote L you wrote 20. That means something you already by hearted. How you can write this all? Areas. Those who wrote the exam last year, take your paper, previous paper exam and everything, take it. I told you already to collect yesterday. Some people didn't collect it. See, area of semicircle AEC, half pi r square, I used the capital letter. Quadrant area 1 by 4 pi r square. Now everything identify. BC 28 centimeter, AB also 28 centimeter, big R 28 root 2 by 2, that is 14 root 2, and small r is already the 28 centimeter. This is the radius of the quadrant, but this is the diameter of the semicircle. That's why we divided by 2. Substitute and try to simplify. You don't need to take a common term out, everything get cancelled, I think, because everything multiple of 7 only. So this will be 1 by 2 into plus. If you want to 1 by 2 pi, you can take it out. It's your choice. R square minus 1 by 2 R square. Same as the previous formula, only shape is different. Smartly cancel it. Yes, okay, fine. This is 14. What is 14 into 28? You can try. Capital R square. 14 root 2 square. 14 into 28 multiply. You will get a 382, I think. 14 into 28. 380 to 14, 14, 196. 382. Make sure. 390 is come. 392. Three 92 plus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. 14 square 196. Root 2 square 2. 784. This and this cancelled 11. Last similar question we done in the class. At that time the value were different. Similar question we done in the class. 11 by 7. 392 minus 392. This also will get to 392. Am I right or not? Anybody checked it? What will be 392 minus 392? 0. So your answer is 392 plus 11 by 7 into 0. Notebook, if you are checking, similar question is there in the notebook, but the values are different. I mean, class 4 question we done that. Question number 11th one after this. Draw the read the question, then draw the diagram. 11th question. Question number 11th one. Question number 11th one. . from a metallic piece in the shape of trapezium. Eh? I don't know. Trapezium is coming like this. One angle is 90 degree. Trapezium name is ABCD. A quadrant is drawn. And here E. This point is P. F is written. Okay. This is F. ABBC 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeter. This is also 3.5 centimeter. Read the question completely. DE 2 centimeter. This part is 2 centimeter. They are asking this one, this area. Area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. Area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. Area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. Area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. Area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. Area trapezium minus area of quadrant. Area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Am I right? Then only that shaded region will get. The shaded region only actually what they are asking. Area of the trapezium minus area of the quadrant. What's trapezium formula? Nobody knows, no? Very good. Trapezium formula. Birla people be careful. Half h into a plus b. This is a trapezium formula. Half h into a plus b. Minus quadrant area 1 by 4 pi r square. H means the height, the distance. This is what we are calling. And this we are calling A. Or you can call this also A. Either this is A or this. Or B also, vice versa. H means the distance between this one. 3.5. H equal to 3.5. That is 7 by 2. A equal to 3.5. That is also what? 7 by 2. B equal to what? Here 3.5 already does. So this is 3.5 radius. 2 plus 3.5. That is what? 5.5. That is what? 11 by 2. And radius is what? The 3.5. That is what? Also 7 by 2. Check everything. Simply don't write anything. Now substitution and simplify. We'll wait. Substitute and simplify. half h into h how much? 7 by 2. A plus b. Okay, Masha, we'll see. A is 7 by 2. B is 11 by 2. 1 by 4. 22 by 7. Radius 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 and cancel. This also cancel. 7 by 4. This is 7 plus 11. 18. 18 by 2 is what? 9. Minus. Yes, 77 by 8. 63 by 4 minus 77 by 8. Is it? So I'm making LCM as same. How much is the LCM? 8 and 4? 8. Here I multiplied 2. 126 minus 77 by 8. Subtract and divide. LCM I made. Denominator I made it equal. The other one answer came there. What is 126 minus 77? 49. 49 by 8 to 6.125 centimeters square. This is the answer. 6.125 centimeters square. Next, figure number 6, question number 12. Figure number 6, question number 12. Can I? Your basic wall or basic? Nobody. Online anybody is there basic maths? There is a trapezium. From all the corner, not a quadrant, one piece like that arc, all are same radius. They're asking area of this region. These 4 pieces together make what? Circle. Why? Because this angle plus this is not a quadrant. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, how much? 360. 360 possible only in circle. Suppose if you are cutting the corners of this one, these 3 pieces together make what? Semicircle. Why semicircle? These 3 angles are how much? 180. 180 means what? Angles in a semicircle. These 3 pieces, if you are cutting and sticking, you will get a semicircle. If this 4 pieces, if you are cutting and sticking, you will get what? A circle because of the angle. Okay. If anybody has doubt, you can try that one. Take any paper and by using composite, just draw one arc here, one arc here, one arc here. Don't take a square paper. Square paper, of course, 90, 90, 90, 360 will come. Some other paper you take. Same radius, if you are joining, you will get it to what? 360. So don't. Question number 12th one. AB 18. DC 32. DC 32. Distance between this and this This distance is given how much? 14. Equal radius. It should be equal radius only, then only you'll get circle. If it is different radius, you won't get circle. Be careful. The question is area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal to area of trapezium minus area of one circle. Now you try. Ready? Area of the shaded region equal to area trapezium minus area of one circle. 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 Try everyone. No need wait. Trapezium formula you know. And a circle formula also you know. Try. 296. Half h into a plus b minus circle area pi r square. That 4 pieces. It is not a quadrant. It is sectors only. A equal to 18. It is your choice what you want to take A and to be up or down is your choice. Distance between this one is 14. And radius is what is 7. Substitute everything. So you will get it. Half into 14 into A plus B 18 plus 32. Minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Check everything. Simplify. Maisha is saying one answer. What about you people are saying? 7. 7 into 350. 7 into 50. Azanda will be there to correct you in the examination. You people are making addition, subtraction, multiplication mistake like that. What I should do? You tell me. Yesterday, after correcting that retest, I really cried because of your performance. It is not a joke. Said you have to realize my situation. You saw your paper, you wrote, you are telling everything you wrote. What you wrote, what you didn't write, you are not realizing. 10th standard formula, everything, but addition, subtraction, multiplication, completely made it. Why you people are by hearting? I can't understand. Everything already stored, that you just minus 7 and 7 cancelled. 154 will come. 22 into 7. 350 minus 154. 196 centimeters square. This is what area of the shaded region. 196 centimeters square. Question number 16th one. Question number 16th one. A horse is placed grazing inside a rectangular field. It is tethered one corner of rope 21 meter long. This similar question we done in the class, but in that case it is square field. Now it is what? A rectangular field. Question number 16th one. Question number 16th one. Question number 16th one. A rectangular field. Similar question we done in the class. At that time it was square field. A horse is tethered. A horse is placed grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter to this is length 70 meter and breadth 52 meter. Tethered one corner of rope 21 meter. One corner that grass only inside this one. You just think about a football ground. So grass only inside that one. 21 meter rope. A horse is tethered one of the corner. So horse can eat only this much grass. Am I right? Only this much grass only he can eat. He can move here also, but there is no grass. So only grazing area this one. Ungrazed area we have to subtract it. Two questions are there. Read it. Two questions are there in that. Question number 16th one. What is horse can graze? 1 by 4 pi r square. Right on. Horse can graze. Horse can graze. Horse can graze equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Horse can graze equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Horse can graze equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Try. Because horse tied in the corner means only he can eat that quadrant part only. So 1 by 4 pi into pi restriction is the 21 into 21. 1 by 4 pi r square. Now here, this and this cancelled to 3, 2, 33 into 21 by 2. What is 33 into 21? 693 by 2, how much? 346.5 meters square he can graze. 346.5 meters square he can graze. Ungrazed area after this. Ungrazed area 70 into 52 minus 70 into 52 minus 70 into 52 minus 346.5 346.5 because they are asking about ungrazed area. Ungrazed area means this area, rectangle area minus what the grazed area 346.5. Multiply then subtract 70 into 52 3,500 3640. Am I right? 3640 minus 3640 minus 346.5. How much? 3293.5. 3293.5. 3293.5. Question number 4th one. Quadratic and circles and area related to circle. These three chapters together is coming. Question number 4th one. Read the question. Two circles touches externally. The sum of their areas 135 centimeter square. Square centimeter means centimeter square. And the distance between the center 14 centimeter. Find the radii of the circles. Diagram is important. Two circles touching externally. This is the center of the first circle, center of this second circle. This is the radius, small circle radius R, bigger circle radius capital R. Draw the diagram. Diagram is important. And reading also important. Read the question carefully. Here figure number 2 and 3, sorry, figure number 2, 4 is there in the notebook, just check it. Almost many questions we done. Again we'll do, repeatedly we are doing. And about the night camp will start soon, everything is ready. But when you're coming, everything restricted. No mobile, no any other device. With the proper dress. Dress means outside fog will be there. Sometimes it will be, a wind will be there. So covered cap or something that you have to wear. No food ordering. If anything want, you can bring and you can eat, no problem. This all if you are ready to follow, only you have to come for the practice. Timing and everything will update you. So if you are following not only math, all the subject, any subject you can learn. Even social science, Hindi, Malayalam, English, Urdu, any subject you can learn. Only the aim, all-round development, not only one particular subject. But we people will be there to monitor and we want to see what you've done. When you're coming for practicing, only worksheet and paper or new notebook, no class notebook, no copying, but a discussion can be done. 2-3 people can sit together and can discuss each other, no problem. When it will be a little, because some people are having pre-board and all, that's a problem. I'm just working out how I can. It's not a compulsory session. It is your choice. Let the R be the radius of the smaller circle. Let R be the radius of the smaller circle. Let R be the radius of the smaller circle. Normally, first pre-board, that much difficulty won't be there. Every school will make it easy. But the second pre-board, be careful, that will be difficult. So my suggestion, first pre-board itself perform well. Then sometimes because of that criteria, you will get the admission. If it is not that perfect, the second pre-board, they will check. So that's why everything in your hand only. Both the pre-board take it seriously. Especially those who are continuing here. Those who are planning to go to India, no comments, that you decide. Let R be the radius of the smaller circle and a capital R be the radius of the bigger circle. Let a small r be the radius of the smaller circle and a capital R be the radius of the bigger circle. What is they given? Sum of their areas is given. Given that, what is the first circle area? Pi r square. Second circle area, that also pi capital R square. How much? How much is given? 135. What we can cancel throughout? Pi and pi cancelled. Throughout we can cancel. So we got what? R square plus R square equal to how much? 130. Equation number 1. R square plus R square equal to 130. Equation number 1. Read the question. There is one more condition is there in the question. What is that? Distance between the centers. All of you. O dash is given. Also given that. O dash equal to. Also given that O dash equal to. How much? How much is given? 14. 14 by O dash. What plus what? R plus R. That is R plus R equal to 14. Ritika, capital R equal to how will write? 14 minus R. Equation number 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. Now be careful, a minus b whole square expansion of this, or I am going to replace with this. A minus b whole square only, not what is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, not a square minus b square. Expand it. Today chemistry is the what time? 3:30. Radius cannot be negative. Tomorrow's class I'll update you after checking my schedule and all. 14 minus r whole square, a minus b whole square expansion. 196 minus 2 into 14, 28r plus r square. A minus b square minus 2ab plus b square plus r square equal to 130. Now, 2r square is there, minus 28r plus 196 minus 130 equal to 0. 2r square minus 28r plus how much? 66 equal to, we can divide throughout by how much? 2. Do splitting the middle term after that. When you divide, you will get r square minus 14r plus 33 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term 11 and 3. Splitting the middle term 11 and 3. Splitting the middle term 11 and 3. By the way, per school having exam on Sunday, no mass. You have any exam tomorrow? Sunday, what is English? Okay. What about monarchy exam? Sorry, you? Monarchy? When? What exam? Social. And Birla starting when? Which day? Thursday. And any other school are here? Thursday. So tomorrow's class, let me think about it. Practicing will make it. Splitting the middle term already you know. So r minus 11 into r minus 3. Both we cannot reject. R equal to 11 or r equal to what? 3. Both the possibilities are there. From 2. What is capital R from 2? Tell me. 14 minus 11. That is what? 3. Or capital R 14 minus 3, 11. So both the case you are getting same number, only different position. So you have to conclude. Therefore, radii are what? 11 centimeter and radii are what? 11 centimeter and 3 centimeter. That's the answer. 11 centimeter and 3 centimeter. I'm concluding this session over here. Now here the remaining many questions are there in the notebook also. If you check, you will get the 17th question also. Be careful. Textbook question, easy question. Everyone should do the remaining question. 17th is there in the notebook. And figure number 2, figure number 4 is also is there in the notebook. Any doubt is there, you can WhatsApp me. Make it clear. Next AP nth term is there. Let me see when I can. Tomorrow possible I'll update you. That's all. Bye. Take care.